Hey guys, and welcome back to my week in my life vlog. So as you can tell from the title above, we are touring houses, and not to buy. Don't get your panties in a bundle. A down payment is just not what I want to do right now. Right now I'm not at like the place in my life where I really want to buy a house, but here's more stories. Cody likes to live in houses. I like to live in apartments. The compromise was a townhouse, and since that's not happening, we're gonna tour some houses today, since like I'm not 100% sure on an apartment or anything like that. Any decision we make together. I don't want you guys thinking it's just like me making decisions here. We're gonna be touring the first one in like 2 hours, but right now I have to return something to Urban Outfitters and also go get a spray tan. Foliated all my spray tan off though last night or 2 nights ago, and the bathtub was disgusting. I'm on my period. It kind of feels like I'm getting like punched in the stomach, but it's like fine. It's fine. It's like so much better like once you move, but like it's so hard to move. Anyway, that's just what's going on. So I forgot to say this like minor part. So last night my neighbor next door, who I haven't heard like make a peep basically, because the walls are pretty thick, he was blasting his music at like 3:30, 4 a.m. And so like I had to knock on the wall, and so I don't know, is that like God's way of telling me basically, hey Sarah, like you need to get out of apartments? We're just gonna deal with the oily spray tan face. I literally feel like I just stole stuff from Urban because they were having 40% off sale, and I was like there to return stuff, and I ended up getting stuff obviously because like 40% off sale, that's awesome. They had one of these Brixton hats, which it's like now time to start like stocking up on stuff for Coachella, even if you're not sure if you're gonna wear it. 20 and then 11.99. And then I got this like fluffy jacket that I have one of already, kind of. It's like reversible, and it's normally $100, and I got it marked down to $30. So I feel so excited. I almost got like these bath mats, but somebody picked them up before me, and then they had this jacket in black and like purple, but somebody swooped that before me. So I was like, I'm not letting this one go. So I got it. Whew, I have a good feeling now about this tour. I'm excited. Where's the line? Oh. Huge. This would be a nice office. You guys, I am actually shook right now. We just found a place and we applied for it, and I'm literally so pumped right now because it's just like so perfect, and like it's everything we were looking for, which I know everyone was like, Sarah, you'll find something, but I like really doubt it. That's not happening. We were up this morning touring early. We want to vlog the tour because we were actually touring with another person that was interested in the apartment, so ignore like the dust that's on my steering wheel, but it's insane. So Cody and I toured this place at 10 o'clock this morning, and it's now 11:32. We're home probably around like 10:30, and then we had to both submit applications for it. Obviously I will show it to you guys if we end up getting the place and we end up moving in. I'll do like an empty house tour, but I'm gonna have a place that has like room for an office for me, and I'm so excited. So a little backstory though on like what happened is I chipped off all my nail polish because I was really nervous. Yesterday I had like a little bit of a mental breakdown after we toured that house because I was coming to the realization that with the budget that I wanted to stay under, it was just not possible to find a place because this place was like not in a good area, up and coming, which means it's like not in a good area. Like, I'm sure it will be a really good area in a few years, so I want to be able to move somewhere that I feel safe. And so I went home, I looked at places all day on the computer and emailed a few places, didn't get anything back, and then this place just literally fell in my lap, just like that. It was crazy. It was like it was meant to be. Okay, my battery's dying, so I should probably focus on driving to 5K. Hey guys, good morning. I am currently getting ready to, right now I'm stretching, but I'm about to start this app called Couch to 5K. This is not sponsored. Just wanted to let you guys know what's going on with me. Okay, so I'm back from the first day of running, and honestly, it wasn't that bad. And I'm telling you guys this because if you guys are not ever a runner, I would say it's probably a little bit more difficult, but I grew up running cross country and I've worked out. It's not as bad as I expected. We'll definitely be able to do it tomorrow. If you guys want to join me on this, that'd be fun. So let me know in the comments if you're doing it. Follow me on Instagram because I'll be posting about it on there. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. As you can see, it's a little later now since I ran. I want to give you guys an update on the swatches that I have. We're saying either the pink or the teal for my office. And I am actually kind of now leaning towards the Royal Peacock because of how many of you guys said that this is like almost not a neutral, but it's like less in your face than the pink, and I'm agreeing with you guys. Miller is over here just sleeping away, living his best life. Got a lot done already today. I need to go make a few returns to Forever 21 of things that I bought that didn't fit me, but I don't really feel like doing that today, so I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow. I shipped out all of my Poshmark orders yesterday. Hi. Look at that face. I mean, how could you not? I shipped out all of my Poshmark orders yesterday, and so thank you guys for whoever bought anything on there. You guys are making this moving process a lot easier for me. I donated 3 bags to a women's shelter recently. A lot of you guys get mad whenever I sell stuff on Poshmark, but don't be discouraged. Hey guys, I haven't talked to you guys in a while because homegirl has been sick. I don't know if you can tell from my nasaliness, but I got a cold and it like affected me. I couldn't run, which is so annoying because I literally just started Couch to 5K the other day, like last week. I finished week 1 and then I had to take a week off, which makes me feel like lazy and annoying, but it's like I'm going to Chicago, so I didn't want to be sicker. Is that a word? And we'll pick it up when I get back, I guess, and that's okay, you know? There are a few updates I wanted to talk to you guys about before I wrap up this vlog, and I finally picked a couch color. I ended up going with Royal Peacock. I'm using Joybird to make my sleeper sofa in my office, and a lot of you guys voted for this color because you said it would show a lot less dirt than the pink one would, which I agree. I still think this is so pretty. I'm also working on a blog post on like things I'm going to be purchasing from Amazon for my place, so be sure you're following me along on the bloggity blog and Instagram so you know when the blog post goes up. I'm going to be vlogging hopefully this weekend when I'm in Chicago, at least doing some apartment shopping because there are a few places I gotta go to pick up stuff like CB2 and IKEA. Next week is going to be filled with a lot of packing and fun stuff like that because we get our keys on Friday. I'm so excited, and then I'll be filming the house tour then, hopefully, and being able to get that one up for you guys. And then we move like officially with like the movers come to move the furniture on, what day was that? Monday. That's it. Yes. Something you guys keep asking me about is what I'm gonna do with this couch right here. This couch I bought from Anthropologie. At the time, I really wanted a sectional, and I still to this day really want a sectional because honestly, I think these kind of couches are good if you live alone. When there's 2 people and like one of them is like 6'2" or something like that, it makes it very difficult to enjoy watching TV from here. So that's why we watch a lot of TV in bed. We're going to actually be putting this in the 3rd bedroom, so still have a use for it, don't worry. I'm getting a sectional too, so it's an expensive time, you could say. He wanted to come say hi. I hope you guys enjoyed this moving vlog. I hope you guys are excited for the move like I am. I'm going to miss this view. I know you guys are going to miss this view too. I loved this place, so I'll tell you guys where it was officially once I move out. But yeah, so until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.